Hello friends, welcome to Coding Pirates YouTube channel. I am Pravin and today's video let us see a very interesting topic, that is how to search something in Wikipedia. So if I search anything on Google, like I have browsed the name Virat Kohli, here you can see about him. Okay, the first result that comes is from Wikipedia, and if I type APJ Abdul Kalam, former president of India, 11th president. So if you see here, the first result comes from Wikipedia. So it is a very huge server. Today we are going to integrate Wikipedia server with our Python file or our Python program. So let us get started. So I'm going to create a new file, a new Python file. Select a language, Python. Okay. Now I am going to save this file first. Okay. Save file, save as. Okay, save as search.py. Okay, we have created a file over here. So the next thing is how we are going to include Wikipedia to our Python file, because Wikipedia is not defined as default in Python. So now we are going to include it. Before including, we should install the package. Okay, and now I'm using this extension called pip manager, because there's some error in my um, system for that system in pip install commands. So if you are having pycharm, okay, you can go to terminal and simply write pip install. Okay, pip install whatever packages you want. Okay, let me try pip install Wikipedia. So this is the command you want to write in your terminal. If it doesn't work, as of me it's not working here, so you can go to this extensions and download pip manager extension. Okay, just install it and go here and add a package, Wikipedia. Okay, it will take some time for installing it. Okay, I have installed it already, so I'll go with it. Import Wikipedia. Okay, Wikipedia has WP, just a short format, just short format. Okay, so now first you want to take a user input. Okay, that's the thing all the search engines or a client server will do, right? uh, First I'm going to create an input. Okay, um search. Okay, it's already a keyword, so we should not use it. Search one equal to str, string data type, input, uh, enter the name you want to search for. Okay, and now the main part comes here. Okay, let's just result equal to, result is a variable over here. Okay, result one. Okay, result one equal to Wikipedia, no, not Wikipedia, WP dot summary. Okay, it gives a whole summary of that particular content. Okay, and now inside the parenthesis type search one. After that, print result one. Okay, now click on the run button. Okay, run Python file. Okay, now I'm going to search for Search for, yeah, Rajendra Prasad, first Prime Minister, first President of India. Rajendra Prasad. Okay. Yes, it will take some seconds. Definitely, it will take some seconds for loading because it should connect this program to the Wikipedia package. Okay, it will take some time based on your internet speed. Okay, for all Python program we don't need, for most of the Python program we don't need internet, but for this one, which includes this Wikipedia, in which the programs which connects with other things. Okay, you should have a good internet connection. Okay, do make sure you're having it. Here I have got a whole description of it. Okay, fully. And the next thing I am going to search is United States of America. We'll definitely get it. Okay, so if I want to search something which is not in Wikipedia, okay, um um rat 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 and mouse. Okay, I'm typing like this, and if I click on enter, there, see, rats are various, and okay, rats and mouse, we can do like this also. Two contents we can give and we'll get the result. Okay, this is a very powerful module that we are working in. If I type something like this, okay, and click on run, it will give a whole error. Okay, because this is not available, this is not available in Wikipedia. Okay, so don't give an inappropriate search. Okay, it will not work. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, do like this video, share this to your friends, and subscribe to the channel. If you don't like this video, do tell me in the comments why do you not like this. And if you have any doubts regarding Python and programming languages, do let me know in comments, or you can let me know in Telegram group. I'll definitely resolve it. Telegram group link is in the description. Do check it out. What you'll get there, you can get poll questions, and you can get quizzes, video reminders, all of them. So that's it for this video, and I'll meet you in the next video with another interesting topic. Until the next video, uh, thank you. Keep coding.